Hello, hello. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Ember E Series. This is going to be their 24 RLD floor plan. Now we're going to start with our pass-through storage first, of course. It does go all the way through. Let's take a look at this camp side of this travel trailer here. You have dual entrance, nice solid steps under both of the entrances. And then if you check out the tires, you can tell that we do have dual axle. And then if we take a step on the inside, we're gonna run into the kitchen first. You have this cute little area, maybe to throw some shoes, extra camping supplies, easy to grab while you're outside. And then we have a rear kitchen area. Single basin sink, storage above, storage below, 2-burner cooktop, microwave, kind of digging the backsplash that they provided with this one. And then next to that you have your pantry and oversized refrigerator. And then you also have a theater seating. The theater seating obviously does recline. You do have cup holders on either side. And then across from that, you have your dinette. This dinette does fold into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. You have your TV up above, as well as some storage. And then at the middle of this camper, it's gonna be your walk-through bathroom. You have your shower on the left here with your skylight, towel storage to the left with your porcelain toilet down below. And then on the other side, you have your medicine cabinet, corner sink, and then check out all of this storage up in here. We got top and bottom, guys. That's crazy. All right, at the very front of this travel trailer, you're gonna have your main bedroom. This is a queen size bed. You do have your storage surrounding. You have a nightlight up above, as well as chargers on either side. And then there's gonna be that dual entrance that we saw on the outside of the travel trailer. Of course, you cannot forget about that TV backer. And that's going to be your 2025 Ember E Series 24 RLD. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Kind of digging the backsplash that they provided with this one. And then next to that, you have your pantry and oversized refrigerator.